Oh boy, a vlog that's not late at night, but still filled with just as many interruptions as previously. Yeah, why the fuck not? I have to leave for work in like now, but I spent the past half an hour or so actually finishing up everything except for yesterday's vlog. So that's all done. Now let me put the rest of my shit in my bag. Oh, Delia, I'm going to work.
Great. Enjoy your day.
It's my last day, actually.
Oh, awesome. Yeah, you should do something for yourself. Have fun.
I did yesterday. That's why there's pizza here.
No, I think you did that for me. You're not going to have any left.
I already ate most of the one pie.
Oh.
Alright, I'm getting the fuck out. Bye. Anyway, time to go to work. And now, back to work. Starting off with helicopters already. Oh, okay. I'm done my internship. Summer's coming to a close. It's, yeah. That's that. Next week is week 10, which is basically finals week for our kid, plus the 1 week, or the one class on Monday, week after that. And that's it. I'm almost done with Los Angeles. Pretty freaking amazing. Anyway, tomorrow is basically just the football game tomorrow night. So that should be a pretty easy day. Got a little bit of editing and things to do tomorrow, but you know, whatever. Got some paperwork and things I have to tackle next week. But other than that, things are actually going very, very well. I'm pretty satisfied right now. This is a pretty good end to working for this summer. Getting ready to head to bed now. It's later at night. It is not quite midnight yet. It is 11:21, but it is getting close. And I'm tired, so I'm realistically going to head to bed soon. And yeah, that's about that. Today was a good day. As sad as it is, I am happy to be done with work. It was a very fun and good internship. I did enjoy my time at Smart Post. And if you're an audio person watching this thinking about going next year, I do highly recommend talking to Kevin over at Smart Post. I guess somebody in looking for an internship in sound in general. I did really enjoy it. As I've now said like 5 times in a row. Which is generally a good indication that I need to head off to bed because I'm just doing stupid shit over and over and over and over and over and over again. So I will.